So, kaya na lang 300. May 50. May 50 sinukmak. Don't have money. It's yourself probably. Slide. So, at saka yung ano, this is how I use inhale, exhale. Hello Joey, good evening. Joey, Darren McCullough is very angry with me. He he said that he posts my sexy video on other platforms, and he said that I he want to post that that mean that I'm asking money for the boys, so that I'll be, you know, by the boys. Hello Joey. Hi. I'm very sleepy. This is my, short live on this channel. So please guys share my live to spread my video, because I'm going to get my 3,000 watch hour. Joey, please help me to reach my 3,000 watch hour. Even you again watch again all my vlog again and again to, because now I have only 600 watch hour, so I need 3,000 to 4. I was waiting for you here to come online. Yeah, I have so many things to do. I do with my big live streaming, because in other platforms I have to, but it's only, I think I only have $40 or 30 something on the platforms. Of course I watch here. Please watch and watch again, because maybe this week I'll be going to post here or going to live streaming here to get my watch hour, uh, watch hour, even though my subscriber, once I get my 500, I'll be monetized for membership, super thanks, maybe super chat. And before I get my 1,000 subscriber, for 1,000 subscriber I get my ads. So what's time from every day, but still I'm going to live for my other channel, so I update my subscribers there that I'm always say, even though my channel is not earning. Okay, you have your life to take care. Yes, I need to, in this life, maybe this blogging is one of my passions, so I need to, while I'm waiting my other channel to be monetized, I have to do this other channel. I have to do my Bigo live and Poco, but it's very difficult to be monetized on Facebook. Please also support my Facebook account, Mami Hamarlin. There I have also my Instagram and TikTok. I have also TikTok, the same, Naomi. I don't change my name, so that my followers don't easily find me on everywhere I go.